Hey guys, Nicole here with CellBotics. So I want to let you know I'm going to the ERC conference in Chicago in November, and I wanted to give you some information about what I'll be doing there, and then how we can link up. Okay, because I want to network. So there is I did a recording for the virtual part of the event, and I'm going to be speaking on a panel during the event there live, which I am totally honored to be doing. So I'm really excited. And so what is the topic that I'm talking about on the virtual? So I'm talking about rethink common specific sticking points in the industry that are something that the businesses usually generally have an issue with. So what are those? Okay. So the virtual event, first off, I want to let you know, is only $99. So if you cannot go in person into Chicago, I definitely recommend that you do the $99 so you can take up all this content, not just my content. There's a lot of other companies that are putting content on the virtual event, and I think it's really, really valuable. So what do I talk about in the virtual event? I talk about staffing. So we talk about staff avatars. I kind of challenge you on, who are you hiring? Who are you looking to hiring? How are you finding them? How are you retaining them? Things like that. Training. So, how can you make your own training? What do we look for in a trainer, right? Because not everybody can be a trainer. Just because you've been doing it for years doesn't make you a trainer. Being a trainer, you have a really big responsibility, and you have to understand people and how they're receiving you, so then you can effectively train them, right? And so not everybody is a trainer. Just because someone masters a skill does not make them able to train it. So we talk about that. And then asset perception. Okay, so I want to challenge the recyclers a little bit here. Yes, I'm calling you out. No, just joking. But I want to help provide some insight into how can we figure out what's reuse worthy and recycling worthy? And if we wanted to do our own in-house repair program, how would we do that? It's not as hard as you think if you have a great partner like CellBotics. Yes, a shameless plug, I know. But if you have a partner to help you build a training program, it's really amazing. But in this virtual event, I actually break down the points, the things that you need to think about when you're making a training, like what are the common, blocks to making a training program and how we do it. And so you're going to get a lot of value from that if you're interested in something like that. Okay. Next, we have the in-person event, which is November 8th to the 10th in Chicago. I'm excited. Not been to Chicago before, so I'm so excited to see the city. But the event that I'm going to be on the panel at is called What's Next for Right to Repair. And it is November 9th at 3:30 p.m. And I will be there speaking as someone who's just kind of neutral in the industry and just giving my point of view with the other speakers, their point of view. And we're just going to kind of discuss right to repair. So I'm super excited about that. And then finally, how do you contact me, right? So here's my contact information if you guys have any questions or you want to set up a meet. If you see me walking around, I'm going to be by myself, or I may be with other people, I'm not sure, but either way, I don't care who I'm with. I want you to come up to me and I want to talk to you. I want to network. I always like to get to know people in person. I love connecting. And if I see someone I recognize, I'm going to stop them as well and connect, and just remind me who you are and what company you're with, and let's connect. Let's just figure out what each other do, and just meet in person. So if you're going, I look forward to seeing you. If you're going to just do the virtual, I think you're going to get a great value out of it. And I hope you enjoy my content on there. All right, guys.